Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club, and I hope you are well and safe. In this video, I want to talk about a very important subject, and a subject that has lots of different paths and sub subjects to discuss about, and I want to dig deeper and dive into deep water today and talk about what is the best way for you to trade the Forex market. As I said, this subject has a lot of subdivisions, subcategories, and let's put it all on the table and discuss about that deeper. But before that, if you are new to this channel, so first of all, welcome to our fantastic community. I would like to take this chance and opportunity and to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Just follow the subscribe button below this video. And please remember, enable the notifications so you know when I have a new content available for you. And also I would like to invite you to join our trading club, the Traders Academy Club, and to enjoy our real-time education and all our trading opportunities we share on daily basis. You can also follow our work and our posts with the analysis in our free Telegram channel for the community. Both links could be found below this video in the description or in the pinned comment in this comment section. So let's dive deep and let's dig deeper in the subject. So what options you have as trader? You can be the day trader, a swing trader, investor, scalping. How can you know what is indeed the best for you? So first of all, let's understand quickly the differences, okay? Because before you decide anything, you always have to start with understanding what stands behind it, understanding the logic, the differences, advantages and disadvantages. Day trader and the scalper, they're pretty much laying into the same category. So day trader is the one that work and trade during the day, spotting his opportunities today. Most of the day traders and scalpers are in and out in the same day. In rare cases, they can carry position for more than a day, but again, it's very rare. Swing trader is one that doesn't love to spend much time in front of a trade and be in and out quick. He is more liking to let the market work and riding the trend. An investor is the one that sees long term, sees forward, believing that an opportunity comes and this opportunity should be good to deliver him profits for a long term. So in which category do you fall? Now, how to know that, we will discuss about it a bit later in this video. So what is the next thing? What instruments should you follow? Is it one instrument? 5 instruments? All the instruments? Now think about it. How many times you saw somewhere in different forums someone saying, I trade only the euro dollar, I trade only the oil, I trade only the gold, etc, etc. How many times did you see someone who trades all the instruments? I myself fall in this category. All instruments. I don't care of the name, I don't care of the market. As long as the opportunity is there and technically my techniques are there, I am there. I am not racist when it comes to trading. I love them all. I don't care of the name as long as the opportunity is there and my risk management plan is working in my favor. Okay? So there is no one answer what will work the best according to what style of trader you plan to be, you feel comfortable to be. The answer would be more relevant for you. So if you're a scalper, you are not able to follow all the instruments, right? But if you are an investor or a long-term trader, then why would you limit yourself only with one instrument? Okay? Does it make sense? So one thing, of course, lead to another. Now let's talk about the next thing. What should you trade? Only Forex? Stocks? commodities, it again, the answer is somewhere in between the first two questions. Okay, now even though most of my trades come from Forex, I love commodities, I love indices, even cryptocurrencies, since they are as active as they are in 2017, 2018, right? I love stocks, but once in a while, once the opportunities are clear. Okay, so once again, I don't love to limit myself. I love to find opportunity, and as long as it's technically lined up perfectly up to my techniques, I'm there. Risk management is what matters more. Not the name of the instrument, not the name of the market, at least from my point of view. So what do you feel more connected to, and how and where will you find more success? This is something you need to find out. How to find out, we'll discuss about that in a few minutes. But remember, that you will find people that will tell you it's only Forex. You will find people tell you it's only equities, options, only stocks, or only commodities, and will talk negative about the other market. Okay? It's always like that. Someone that finds success in one market thinks this is the best market, but that's not true. If someone is successful in football, it doesn't mean someone else cannot be successful in basketball, for example. So let's talk about next thing. What can work best for you? Trend strategies? Reversal strategies? Is it ranges or is it breakouts? Okay? All that are different. Of course, you can be in a few categories, not specific thing, right? But I saw amazing traders doing only trend strategies because they believe the trend is your friend. I saw great reversal strategies and great reversal traders. I myself also have techniques in that category exactly, and I teach these techniques in Traders Academy Club. They are based on cycles and divergences. Now, what would be best, right? Because the trend is your friend, but there is always an end, right? So every trend finishes somewhere, and every trend begins somewhere, and this begins with a reversal. So if you know to spot your and have your read and your analysis properly, you have your chances to enjoy from both. Some traders rock in ranges, some others only with the breakouts when there is momentum. So is there a specific way that can work for all? The answer is no. Completely no. We all are different. We might have the same goals, but we all are different. Why do I say that? Because if you are a football player, there is not only one way to hit the ball. If you are a basketball player, there is not only one way to throw the shot, throw the ball. If you are a lawyer, there is not only one way to be a lawyer. And if you are a doctor, there is not only one way to listen and take care of your passions. So it's the same with trading. There is no such thing, one way, one ultimate way for all. This is huge market, especially when we talk about Forex. This is the biggest financial market out there. Okay? It has place for everybody. But while you are figuring out who are you and what works best, and I'll give you the tips for that, you mainly should focus who you are not. Because many traders try to think, right, especially newcomers to the market, they think, I must be scalper to make money. Wrong. That's complete nonsense. You don't. Who say that? This is a fake myth, fake belief. And you need to trade more in order to make more. Not everybody can sit in front of the computer. You know what? Most of the people cannot sit all day in front of the computer. We are busy. We have daily routine. We have responsibilities. We have life and all the things it brings. Okay? So if there is something you're not comfortable with, you don't need to do it. One guaranteed way for a failure is to try and to be something you are not, just because someone else says that's the only way. Okay, so Should you trade with stop losses? No stop losses. Should you limit take profits or let them run? There is no one ultimate answer for that. And I saw successful traders who work without stop losses, but with clear exit plan instead, clear risk management plan. I saw people who work amazingly with direct, straight, strict risk reward plan, and others who just trail their profits. As long as the market gives, I'm ready to take. Okay? There is no such thing one ultimate style, and it's important you understand it. And I name all these things for you because I assume that you as a trader, somewhere during your journey, you were thinking about the same. So what the heck is the best way for me to trade the market? What's the ultimate way? So my friend, I have the news for you. There is no such thing, the ultimate way. Is it technical analysis or fundamental analysis or both? Okay? Is it indicators or only price action or patterns or combination of all? Okay? You see how many different approaches there are? One time frame, multi-time frame, which time frame? Scratching the head, right? Trying to figure out. So if there is no opportunity on the 4-hour chart, maybe I can go down to 5 minutes. And look, all these things, all these opportunities are there on daily basis. And as long as you keep switching in between them, you would never find stability. Okay? Never. So what to do? One strategy only or few strategies? Now, I myself am a fan of few strategies because the market changes. So from my point of view, to limit yourself to only one strategy, it's like going to gym and say, today I work only on my chest or only on my biceps. Unless this is your specific program built and broken into days, there is no sense to work only on one thing every single day. Okay, so for some, like myself, few strategies. The market changes, I adjust my strategies according to the market, of course. Okay? For some others, only one strategy can be the best solution. How to find out what works best for you? Do you need to spend 5 minutes a day, 1 hour a day, a full day? The answer to all these questions is track record. What do I mean by track record and why do you need it? You need it to learn yourself and what works best for you. Track record, trade journaling, all that sounds dramatic and bombastic, but what does that mean? Okay? There are softwares doing it. There are, I work the old style with like sort of a diary. Well, I adjusted to the Excel, but the idea of track recording is put all the information of your activity. Track record, like imagine you do track recording of your expenses and your incomes. You put down everything, because if you don't, you are lying to yourself. You would never be able to find how your budget really works. Okay? I saw many people try to talk about budgets, and they're like, I have bills, I have the electricity, I have the gas, food, mortgage, whatever it is. But they don't talk about going to the convenience store or taking a haircut for 10 bucks or 20 bucks or buying flowers to their wives because they just feel like today is a good day for that. All that doesn't go in. And if you don't be 100% transparent with yourself, you would never find out what works best for you. So whatever the way you track record, if it's in Excel table or built-in programs available online, I'm not going to suggest any because I don't know them. I myself following a simple routine of the Excel. And I put there everything that is important to me, like the instrument, if I buy or if I sell, what time frames are involved in my analysis, what method I analyze based on, what time frames do I enter and what type of management do I apply, what type of entry strategy do I have, what is my risk reward initially and at the end, and all these little details, what indicators I have, is it price action or patterns or you know, all these things. If it's stocks, stocks, commodities, okay, I put all these type of things, type of trading. Is it swings, is it invest, is it day trading? And then when you have enough track record, this is your mirror. Then you can sort out and see where is your real strength. So the only hardest part of all that is to apply, because track record takes time. And let's admit it, we don't have time. We all are busy people, right? We all are so busy that we finish our day and we don't have the energies. So look, you cannot be successful unless you are ready to do what successful people do. And successful traders always aware of their positions and always track record their positions to learn what works best from them. Always. You can go back to the 2 years ago of professional trader track record and you would be able to know the statistics. As lazy as you are, as busy as you are, as annoying as this task is, if you don't do that, you never can know what works best for you. You can assume. Because, oh, today this strategy worked the best for me. Oh, I remember previous week that strategy worked best for me. But you would never be able to know your real progress. So if you want to progress, you have to put this information in trading journal and track record every single step of yours. If you don't do that, then you just want, you just wish, and you belong to the category of people who wish. So if you want to make this switch to the next step, then go and do it. Go and do that. Prepare your stuff or use some other available stuff online, but go and track record. Learn what works best for you. And if you are new to the market, then I have news for you. There is no such thing, and I repeat, there is no such thing, ultimate way to trade Forex. There is no such thing, a one way that can work for everybody. We all are same, but we all are different. Different in the way we understand things, different in the way we feel comfortable with things, different in the way we observe things, different with the way we recognize things on the chart, and different in the way we manage things. Okay, you need to find your comfort. The good news, this market has a room for every single style. My biggest tip for you is, while you are looking for your style, track record every single step and be 100% transparent with yourself. Include all your mistakes. If you don't include them, you would never be able to figure out a complete truth about yourself and what was the best for you. And one bigger tip is, don't try to be someone who you are not. If someone says scalping is the best, there will always be someone who will say that swing trading is the best. If someone claims that the daily chart is the only way to make money, there is always someone that will show and prove that with 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 1 hour you can also make money. If there is only one say that Forex is a scam and someone else says it's only stocks, there is always a successful Forex trader that proved him wrong. And if it's only trend trading, then I guarantee you will see enough great traders that work with ranges or reversal breakout, etc., etc. There is no way to know what will be best for you without trying, without experiencing, practicing, and mainly track recording. But there is a way to know what will not work for you. And whatever makes you feel not comfortable doing is 100% not for you. Okay? So I hope you got the idea here, because we all always look for the ultimate way of making money in Forex trading. As sexy as it sounds, it's nothing but a miss. If you do enjoy this video, or if you enjoy generally my content on the YouTube channel, please show your support back. Hit the like button below this video, drop your comment below in the comment section. Let me know what do you think about the subject we discussed and to which category do you belong. Okay, so thank you very much for your support. This is how the YouTube algorithm works. I need your help to help and grow this channel, and ideally to reach those who need the help with the content I upload. And now I would like to thank you for your time watching this video, and I invite you to join us in Traders Academy Club and to enjoy from all our real-time education we have and all our trading ideas we share on daily basis. Join us with the link below in the description or in the pinned comment inside the comment section. Once again, thank you for your time watching this video. I hope you understand a little bit more about the so-called sexy subject of the best way to trade Forex. Okay, there is one best way not to trade Forex, and that's trying to guess what will work for you or trying to be someone else. You want, for your own best, learn yourself. Learn what works best for you. And as annoying as is, you cannot find it out without track recording your progress. Thanks for your time. I wish you and yours only the best, and I'll see you around with more ideas and content.